Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your INFINIX Note 60. First, remove a screen protector or a case because it can cause a lot of interference. If the screen protector is not applied perfectly on the screen, it will cause ghost touches or make the screen unresponsive. If the case goes over the bezel, which is the black part between the side of the phone and the main screen, you should also remove it because it can block the screen and cause ghost touches to appear. Next, clean your screen to remove any debris or moisture using a microfiber cloth. As a bonus, we will also get rid of every fingerprint. Swipe it around 3 to 4 times and it should be good. Next, as a last resort, update your software to fix any touch issues. Go to Settings, tap on INFINIX Note 60 and click Check for Updates. As you can see, my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend updating. It's very important to update so you don't have any old glitches like ghost touches on your phone. That's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, any comment, and I'll see you in the next one.